بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. معالي وزير المياه والكهرباء المهندس عبد الله بن عبد الرحمن الحصين، سعادة القنصل التجاري والاقتصادي لجمهورية الصين الشعبية الدكتور وانغ يو، نرحب بكم في حفل افتتاح المكتب الإقليمي لشركة شانغهاي إلكتريك في المملكة العربية السعودية. نترككم مع هذا الفيلم التعريفي عن شركة شانغهاي إلكتريك.
This is more than just a mathematical formula. This is a solution to the worldwide issue of energy security, environmental protection, and sustainable development. This is the view of the world, sense of value and methodology of an energy equipment enterprise. This formula has many operative modes, but only one single basic rule, a rule that comes out of our love of nature and respect for natural ecology. And this is the way of Shanghai Electric. We seek addition by putting new items on the traditional list of energies. We inject new life into the sustainable development of mankind. We harness the wind, turning nature's gift into an endless supply of electricity. We produce green wind power. Through the use of technology, tiny atomic nucleus blasts yield unbelievable levels of safe and clean energy for mankind. We produce clean nuclear power. Addition is creation. Shanghai Electric creates for mankind's future. We also seek subtraction. We reduce the consumption of natural resources and pollution to the environment.
你们知道发一度电需要用多少煤吗？其实我们现在发一度电需要用煤335克，会产生二氧化碳901克。可是呢，如果使用上海电气制造的100万千瓦发电机发电的话，一天我们可以节约用煤1320吨。
Through the use of higher capacity and higher parameter thermal power units, we achieve greater energy efficiency, lower coal consumption and emissions, saving more coal resources and creating a greener world. Through the use of energy feedback techniques, we turn the redundant energy of elevators moving up and down into electricity. While speeding up the running of cities, we make elevators greener. Our printing techniques bring not only color for the world, but also emotion to life. Printing makes the world more friendly, and we make printing greener. Shanghai Electric is engaged in subtraction that is designed to endow the future world with quality growth. We seek multiplication. Multiplication means unlimited sharing. Our power plants are present in more than 20 countries and regions worldwide. We light up China and brighten the world. Efficient thermoelectricity, clean nuclear power, wind power, gas-based power generation, power transmission and distribution, energy-saving elevators, printing, industry equipment. Green is all that Shanghai Electric is about. Green is the source of innovation for Shanghai Electric. Green is the practice and commitment for Shanghai Electric. Adding the element of green to the world energy formula is opening up more opportunities for the future. Let's create our future together. Shanghai Electric.
أما الآن كلمة سعادة رئيس شركة شانغهاي إلكتريك السيد يوان يي.
Dear friends, dear guests, good evening. First of all, please allow me to express my great honor and thanks for the presence of His Excellency, Minister of Water and Electricity Ministry, Engineer Abdullah bin Abdullah Rahman Hussein, His Excellency, Deputy Minister of Water and Electricity Ministry, Dr. Salih Hussein Awaji, and His Excellency, Economy and Commercial Controller of the People's Republic of China in Kingdom, Dr. Wang Yu. And we are also grateful to the attendance of the senior leader from Ministry of Water and Electricity, Ministry of Commercial and Industry, SAJA, Riyadh Chamber of Commerce, Electricity and Cogeneration Regulatory Authority, Saudi Electricity Company, Saudi Saline Water Conversion Company, Saudi Aramco, Saudi Marifico, Saudi Water and Electricity Company, as well as the distinguished guests from our local partners and representatives of Chinese companies in the kingdom. Thanks a lot for your coming. Thanks for your joining our event. Shanghai Electric is one of the largest mechanical and electrical equipment manufacturing groups in China. The business covers more than 10 industries and ranges over power generation, power transmission and distribution, electromechanical integration equipment, railway transportation, elevator, air conditioning compressor, industrial robot, and environmental protection. The total revenue of Shanghai Electric is more than $13 billion in 2013. Shanghai Electric Power Generation Group, as the flagship division of the Shanghai Electric, specializes in manufacture power generation equipment, EPC contract, and power plant whole life operation and maintenance service. In thermal power generation equipment area, Shanghai Electric possesses annually output world number one and number one market share in China. Nowadays, China's total installation power generation capacity is around 1,280 gigawatt by the end of 2013. Shanghai Electric products stand for more than 25% of the total installation. Shanghai Electric possesses the world-class technology and facilities. 300 megawatt, 600 megawatt, 1,000 megawatt supercritical and the ultra-supercritical unit, 1,000 and above nuclear unit, E-class, F-class gas turbine, larger capacity CFB boiler, 1.225 megawatt wind turbine have become our core products. Besides meet the requirement of domestic market, Shanghai Electric has provided more than one set of units in abroad, such as India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Thailand, Vietnam, Iran, Iraq, Brazil, Indonesia, Ukraine, Turkey, etc. We are profound to powering our client and their country. After years' effort, Shanghai Electric has acted as EPC contractor and the main supplier of Power Iceland. Up to 2012, the completion of EPC project have reached 32 gigawatt, and the total volume of EPC contractor and the Power Iceland have reached 72 gigawatt in the global market. The higher performance, competitive cost, safety, stability, and the flexibility of those equipment and the projects meet the requirement of worldwide customers, while the quality of the projects are in line with the international standard of excellence. Today, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia play an extremely important role in the world. The electric energy market in Kingdom has great potential, and it is also important strategic market for us, for Shanghai Electric. In the past years, Shanghai Electric and the power sector of Kingdom maintained well communication and close relationship that enhance the mutual acknowledge and understanding. Our partners and friends in the Kingdom also gave us great support and encouragement in terms of the market explanation. All of us believe that Shanghai Electric will play an important role in the power generation industry of Kingdom. Today, at the beginning of the new year, we are honored to announce the opening of the Shanghai Electric Kingdom of Saudi Arabia branch and deliver our majestic commitment. Shanghai Electric Saudi branch is the permanent presence based on Saudi Arabia, serves the entire Gulf region. We are willing to cooperate with our partners and our friends in the Kingdom to contribute for the prosperity of Saudi Arabia. We are also eager to contribute our effort for the further closer economy relation between China and Saudi Arabia. Along with the opening of branch, we live close, work together, create our future together. Thank you. Shukran. Thank you.
أما الآن مع كلمة سعادة القنصل التجاري والاقتصادي لجمهورية الصين الشعبية الدكتور وانغ يو.
Assalamu alaikum. His Excellency, Minister of Water and Electricity Ministry, Engineer Abdullah Hossain, His Excellency, Deputy Minister and Chairman of Saudi Electricity Company, His Excellency, Governor of Saline Water Convention Corporation, Mr. Yuan Yi, Vice President of Shanghai Electronic, and representatives of SEC branch in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, distinguished guests, and all friends. It is my great pleasure to participate in today's activity. First of all, I would like to express my warm congratulations to the opening of Shanghai Electric branch in the Kingdom on behalf of the Chinese Embassy in Riyadh, and heartfelt thanks to the great support given by His Excellencies Minister and Deputy Minister, Chairman, and also the Governor and the Ministry from Water and Electricity. China and Kingdom has enjoyed time-honored traditional friendship and cooperation. The world-renowned Silk Road is a series of routes connecting China and the Arabian world, which has been playing an important and influential role in our bilateral business and communications. As China and Kingdom established the relationship of strategic, friendly, cooperative partners, our cooperation in various fields has grown constantly. Last year, our bilateral trade has reached over $70 billion. China and Kingdom have become one of the largest trading partners to each other in the world. Now there are more than 140 Chinese joint ventures doing business in the Kingdom, ranging from railway, power plants, water supply, to the area of telecommunication and building materials, etc. Meanwhile, the Kingdom's investment in China has experienced a rapid increasing. For example, Saudi Aramco and SABIC invested a number of large-scale projects and research centers in China. China now is broadening the policy of opening to the world. Meanwhile, the Kingdom is actively committed to the diversification of economic structure. Under this background, we believe the future of bilateral economic and trade cooperation between our two countries does have a huge potential and a bright prospect. The economy of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has experienced a rapid development in recent years. While the demand for power increases very fast, with the annual growth rate reaching 8%. The healthy development of the power industry will become an important guarantee for the development of national economy. Shanghai Electric is the leading company for Chinese power equipment manufacturing industry, with the advantages of complete set of equipment, technology, and integrated services, accumulating rich experience in international market. Chinese government will continue to promote Chinese enterprises to bring the most advanced technology, the high quality, and the best service to the Kingdom for our win-win cooperation. Your Excellencies, dear friends, as the saying goes, walking alone, you may walk faster. Walking together, we can walk further. I firmly believe that with our sincere cooperation, our bilateral friendly and cooperative relationship will continue to broaden the traditional Silk Road so as to benefit our countries and peoples in the bright future. Thank you very much.
الآن يتفضل معالي وزير المياه والكهرباء المهندس عبد الله بن عبد الرحمن الحصين بإلقاء كلمة بهذه المناسبة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، الصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه ومن دعا بدعوته واهتدى بهديه. His Excellency Dr. Wang Yu, Economy and Commercial Counselor of the People's Republic of China, Mr. Yon Yi, the President of Shanghai Electric Power Generation Group, أصحاب المعالي والسعادة أيها الإخوة الأفاضل، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بداية أود أن أعتذر. I should speak in English, I guess. First, I would like to apologize for not having a prepared speech, as I knew that I will be delivering a speech this afternoon when our dear friend and colleague, Mr. Abu Nayyan, called me and asked me to make a short speech, so I apologize. When I visited China about 2.5 months ago, it was my first visit. And we all hear of the Chinese economical miracle and the development, and that China is a big manufacturer. But I did not really have a sense of the development that China has achieved until I saw firsthand the fantastic infrastructure that has been prepared, that went along with this economical miracle. Wherever you go, you see examples of this really fine infrastructure development in roads, in railroads, in transportation, air transportation, in infrastructure as a whole. So it was something really to see, and advise anybody that didn't go that he should go and see for himself. I learned that China also, and I was amazed to hear that their annual growth until recently in power generation was approximately 100,000 megawatt. And when it slowed down, it went down to 70,000 megawatt. So I thought that we have really a problem until we saw the numbers in China. But I still think that Saudi Arabia really outnumbers China in power generation growth. Saudi Arabia has an incremental increase of around 3,500 megawatt annually. And we have 30 million in population. China has 1,300,000,000 in population. And so to match our increase, they will have to add 150,000 megawatt annually. So, but it is indeed amazing number that our friends, the Chinese, are going through. And I hope that they will sustain it. In our visit to China, I had the good opportunity also to visit Shanghai Electric I visited their headquarters and manufacturing electric manufacturing plant near Shanghai, naturally. And again, this is an amazing and a huge company. The manufacture annually as we heard the numbers, about 34,000 megawatts. And the manufacture equipment across the board, nuclear, conventional, gas and oil, and wind. So definitely Shanghai Electric is one of the largest, if not the largest companies, manufacturing company and OEM manufacturer in China. So I am indeed delighted that China chose to have a base or a hub in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is the largest economy in the region, the largest population, and the largest GDP. So I am very sure that it will be a rewarding step for China, for Shanghai Electric, and for China as a whole. We promise them all the support within the law that they will need or require to make this step for them more rewarding. We also hope that this is an initial step for the great manufacturers in China in the power, especially in the power side, to come and have offices also in Saudi Arabia. I don't want to delay you for dinner. We have a famous saying that in Arabia saying that to face an army is better than to face food, you know. So I don't want to delay you any further. Thank you so much for inviting me and my colleagues for this memorous occasion. And again, thank you so much for taking this step. Welcome to Saudi Arabia and welcome to Riyadh. Thank you very much.
الآن ندعو معالي الوزير لتدشين المكتب الإقليمي لشركة شانغهاي إلكتريك في المملكة العربية السعودية. في الختام نشكركم على حضوركم وندعوكم لتناول طعام العشاء.